So today we are going to be looking at shapes. Can you describe and identify solid shapes? So we have a cone, we have a cylinder, we have a sphere, and we have a cube. So what you're going to do is you're going to look around your house, and it's almost like a scavenger hunt. Find something that is that shape. So I already did this to show you guys. So it does say to draw, we're not going to draw. I just want you to find things in your house. When I went and looked for things that were a cone, this one was really hard for me. So I ended up finding this is one of my daughter's pretend ice cream cones from her playset. So that was the cone I found. But if you don't find a cone, that's okay too, because there are some shapes that we're just not going to see. Cylinders, I found a bunch of those. We have little chip containers that are cylinders. My daughter's, these are like the poopsie thing where you feed your poopsie. Lipstick container is a cylinder. A pencil is a cylinder. The marker is a cylinder. I have a can of something, I believe it's beans, is a cylinder. A soda can is a cylinder. It has a circle top, a circle bottom, and it's made out of a rectangle in the middle. These are all cylinders, so I found a lot of cylinders. And then I went and tried to find a sphere. That one was, again, kind of hard. I did find my dog's little ball, which is a sphere. It's round. We also had some balls in our garage. I didn't bring those in. What can you think of that's a sphere? And then a square. I didn't find many things. One of my daughter's toys is these little mystery things, and it is a square. It has 6 equal sides, or not a square, sorry, a cube. It's made out of square sides. It has 6 square sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. So what can you find that is each of these 3-dimensional shapes? Then on the other side, what it's asking us to do is, so they have this sphere. They want you to circle the sphere out of these 3. And they've already done it for us. So we're going to trace that and circle it. Like that. And then on this side, they have the cube. And they want you to circle which one is the cube. So is it this one, or this one? I'm not going to show you because I want you to tell me. That's one of the things I will be looking for when you return your paper. So which one? You're going to circle one of these. Is it this one? Do these 2 look alike? Does these 2 look alike? Or do these 2 look alike? The other shape page, there's this side. We're not doing this side at all. Not doing this side. This was a copy mistake on my part. We're going to be looking at this side. So what it is, it says, in each shape, 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional, color the flat 2-dimensional shapes in red. Color the 3-dimensional shapes in blue. Now, if you don't have a red and a blue, just pick one color. So what I'll look for is that all of the flat shapes are one color and all of the solid shapes are one color. So I'm going to use aqua because that's what I have. And I'm going to color all of the flat shapes aqua. So right now I want you to try coloring all of your flat shapes one color. There are a lot of flat shapes. all of my flat shapes are one color. Check your work. Okay, and now we're going to color the solid shapes. Actually, I want you to show me your solid shapes. So color the shapes that we did not color in the other color, because those are the solid shapes. Remember, solid shapes you can see the depth in. Then we're going to look at this part down here. It says circle the objects that has the same face on the surface. So a face, like this is a face, the side. So if I was looking at a cube or a cylinder, which one has a square shape? Which one has a square shape? So they're asking, chip container or an ice cube? Which one has a square shape? The ice cube. So we're going to circle the ice cube. The next one is a circle. Which one has a circle base? If I cut the orange in half, would it be circle? If I cut the dice in half, would it be a circle? Which one would have a circle? The orange, right? Yep. If we cut the orange in half, it would be a circle. The dice, just like the cube would just have a square top. And then the last one, this one's a little tricky because it's a triangle. Now this one has triangle sides. This one kind of looks like it would be a triangle, except that this has a circle base and this has a square base. So these two would go together. And you can kind of see that in the picture. Okay, are you ready to show me your solid shapes? Okay, compare it with mine. So we have a cube solid shape, we have a pyramid solid shape, we have a cylinder, and we have a rectangular prism. Okay, how'd you do? Kiss your brain, it's working hard. Good job.